Kuscheleinheit am Morgen.
Warum machst du immer
Yes,
so?
it's true, they're dating.
They kept it as a secret for such a long time.
It's more than just the management.
The beginning of a love story.
You already knew.
Frank, how many pieces of cake have you just eaten?
One. That's net.
How was that one? Look, 2 plates.
Yeah, 2 plates.
You're a
One.
little piggy.
No. One is your plate. You had this big Schwarzwälder Kirschtorte.
I'm the German.
I'm in the German.
Tom, show us your new tattoo.
Hey Nat, did you already see the?
Nice.
Did you already see the new homepage?
Yes.
That's wonderful. Really?
Right, we're coming to an end.
Visit cascadacandanceandsing.com.
They're so supportive.
Goodbye.